Hey, so if you're traveling with kids or planning a family vacation using Booking.com, yeah, choosing the right family hotel can make a huge difference. In this guide, I'll show you how to book family hotels on Booking.com step by step in 2026. First, open the Booking.com app or website and enter your destination. Select your travel dates and enter the number of adults and children traveling. Click search to see hotels available for your family trip. Use filters like family rooms, breakfast included, pool, parking, or kitchen access. Always check room size and bed options to make sure everyone fits comfortably. Some family hotels include kids, play areas, babysitting, or child-friendly meals. Read reviews from other families to learn about cleanliness, safety, and convenience. Compare total price, free cancellation options, and breakfast offers before booking. Choose your room, enter guest details, and confirm the reservation. Save your confirmation email and hotel contact information for easier check-in. And yeah, that's it. That's how you book family hotels on Booking.com and make your trip more comfortable for everyone.